mga ka-travel bibs! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I will be celebrating Tabak Festival only here at Tabaco City, Albay. But before you watch this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Tony Lancero, and hit the click ring bell button below to always notify you with my next video. So, may dadaan ng ligaw? Yung sa Diversion Road ko? For my collaboration with Lakwatsero Eregueño. So, still eating lunch. So, ngayon, lalakad-lakad muna ako dito sa city. So, I've been in the, sa may simbahan. So, ang ganda ng simbahan nila. Very unique yung pakagawa. Pero, just like historical places. So, ang ganda ng structure niya. So, parang minintain niya talaga yung tagal ng church. So, mag-ilig kasi ako sa church kasi number one travel tips is mag-visit rin kayo sa mga churches na pupuntahan nyo if ever you're going to travel vlog. So, one travel tips from Travel Tips. Look, so very one interesting here in Tabaco City is because the LGU unit allows people to sell their product just like this one. So, may mga kubo-kubo sila na they allow people to sell their products. Eh, one good thing about LGU na mas better na gayahin ng ibang town to promote their local products also. So, just like this one. So, labanan nito ng mga barangay. So, pagandaan sila at the same time, they're selling their products also. So, the best of Tabaco City for that. Approved. Bye po. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Hi. Tabaco City. Tabaco City. Dito kasi mataba. From Tabaco City. So, ito sila Lakwatsero Eregueño po. Tabo, say hi to my vlog po. Mag-hi ka na. Ang init. Kanina pa kayo? Mag-hi ka muna para naikat ko na siya. Yan, kakapasok lang po namin ito sa hotel. Sponsored by Lakwatsero Eregueño. Sponsored by the LGU of Tabaco City. LGU pa siya. Tulog. Sige, mamaya ulit guys. Pahinga muna kami para mamaya. Yeah, everybody was so busy right now for their Tabak Festival. So, daming tao, dami nagpa-participate in different municipality competing for one title in Tabak Festival. Right here. Hi. Yan. Kakatapos ko ng contenders number 1, but ang dance floor nag-init pa lang for their street dancing. Ang galing ng Uwas Albay. So now performing the Maliliit Albay for their Lulit Festival. Lubid Festival, so they're promoting their product, Lubid, Italilitos Albay. At the same time, pinapromote nila yung Tabak Festival because they have Itak in their dance. So, ang galing. So, mamaya nakita tayo ng third contenders. So, nag-message si Mayor. Makinig ka na. The best yung Mayor nila, very accommodating. Kaya ang mga tao dito, very supportive kasi yung Mayor nila is the best thing kasi talaga. Very accommodating even though we just met ngayon lang, first time.
And I am quite sure that you will go home with your hearts filled with happiness and gladness because you have experienced Tabak Festival 2019. Sagabos po, mapalos and welcome to Tabak Festival.
Yan, now performing. Parang Panggi o Santo Domingo Albay. Mabili ka mo ba? Santo Domingo Albay is representing the natural way of Manliligaw way back before. So this is the warrior from Tabaco City, ang Tabak Festival. festival. So they have 4 contenders lang naman ngayon. So
Natin mga highlights and so
kakatapos na ng 4 contenders. So nagutom ng tao. Kumain. Tara, kain tayo guys. One good thing here in Tabaco City, Albay, because nagkakaisa yung mga tao. Makikita mo yan kasi sa event. They are very supportive even though na super init kanina, super ginit kanina talaga guys. Sobrang init. Pero at least yung mga tao nagpa-participate and nag-support sa LGU unit ng Tabaco City, Albay. Sorry guys, hinihingal ako kanina pa ako takbo ng takbo.
on mo aircon.
Ayan, kakabalik lang namin sa hotel. So, ang name ng hotel namin is sponsored by JJ. Anong tawag dito? Ayan, JJ Med City. Ang kagandahan kasi sa mga festival, kung mag-attend kasi kayo, kung mahilig kayo sa festival, kung kagandahan kayo sa festival is they representing their products. So, isa yun sa habang pinapakita nila yung talent nila, pinapakita na rin talaga yun nila kung ano talaga yung product na yung parang OTOP, One Town One Product. So they representing their product. So it helps a lot in tourism. So thank you LGU of Tabaco for inviting us. Char! Thank you La Cochera Regaño for inviting me here. So, paano ulit kami guys sa hotel? Balik lang kami din mismo sa City Hall to witness yung LGU night nila. They have team like animated, so we will watch them perform. So be ready guys. Hindi po. Hi,
Ako yung magandang ano, si Malificent. Mas maganda
pero maganda ka pa rin po. Ayan po. Isa sa pinakamaganda po sa Tabaco.
Evil has never been this good.
Totoo.
Hindi lahat ng masama ay masama. Hindi lahat ng mabuti ay mabuti. Gusto mo para ano?
So, hiram-hiram lang muna.
Anyway, welcome everyone to the most awaited moment ng ating celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the LGU Night Constellation of Cosplay Stars. Bakit Cosplay Stars? Ngayong gabi, i-feature natin through a competition, through a free-form competition, ang local talents ng ating local government unit employees na nakalabel ng iba-ibang mga anime movies.
Sino yung anime mo na character na
Gusto ko talaga si Maleficent.
Totoo, yun na yun talaga. O sige, punta din ako sa alaala ng Maleficent.
Ikaw gusto mo, Aladdin ka siguro feeling ko.
Bakit?
Kasi mukha ka si ano mukha ka si yung
Mukhang
na lalaki.
day 1 and